In this video, you'll learn how to transfer your Udemy credits to your bank account. This process involves checking your instructor earnings, connecting a payment method, and understanding how monthly payouts work. Begin by signing into your Udemy instructor account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard, which is the main interface you will see. Look for the section labeled Instructor Revenue Report. Here, you can view your earnings as an instructor, which will display the total amount you have earned from your courses. Next, you will need to set up a payout method to receive your earnings. Navigate to the payment settings section within your account settings. Here, you will find options to connect a payment method. You can choose either PayPal or Payoneer. Click on the option you prefer and follow the prompts to enter the required information. Ensure that the payment method you select is valid and accessible to receive funds. After successfully connecting a payment method, Udemy will automatically process your earnings each month. This means that at the end of every month, your earnings will be sent to the payment method you have selected. You will receive a notification or confirmation regarding the payout, which is important to check for record keeping. Once you have received your funds in PayPal or Payoneer, you can easily transfer them to your bank account. Log into your PayPal or Payoneer account and locate the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Follow the instructions to input your bank account details if you haven't done so already. Be aware that transfer times may vary based on your bank's processing times and any fees that may be incurred during the transfer. It is advisable to monitor your earnings and payment settings regularly to ensure a smooth transfer process. Additionally, keep in mind that different payout methods may have varying processing times and fees, which could affect how quickly you receive your funds in your bank account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.